Every electrician and lighting professional knows how important stocking up on essentials is. Equipping yourself with the proper tools and multi-purpose fixtures can make all the difference between timely lighting installation and unexpected delays. Here are 4 essential items to stock up on for every job. Number 1, field adjustable fixtures. Field adjustable fixtures let you choose the color temperature or output during installation, making them perfect for just about any job. One fixture can easily replace dozens, streamline your inventory to make room for other lighting products. Adjustable fixtures include high bays, panels, troughers, downlights, wall packs, and more. Number 2, ballast bypass LED T8 tubes. You can never go wrong with keeping single-ended or double-ended LED T8 ballast bypass tubes on hand. Since the ballast is removed during installation, you don't have to worry about compatibility issues or return maintenance trips, making them more convenient for both you and your client. Number 3, LED emergency backup kits. How often have you had customers forget about emergency backup lighting until inspection time comes? Save a trip and avoid complicated wiring with LED emergency backup kits. These handy kits install in minutes and can be used in most fluorescent fixtures. Number 4, programmable LED drivers. Even if you stock up on a wide assortment of LED drivers, there still may be times when you don't have the right one and the job gets delayed. In these instances, programmable LED drivers can be lifesavers. They can be programmed to replace any number of drivers in a few seconds and can be reprogrammed later as needed. Ready to stock up on essential items? Our team of product experts is here to help you select the fixtures and tools you need for your next job. Call 855-948-5079 today.